Before you start, you must first create your wallet using the dice and coin setup process. This process will generate the private and public master keys needed to operate your Cuvex PSBT wallet. You will need a Cuvex device, a reusable transaction card. Note, if the transaction has multiple inputs or outputs, you will need an 8K card, as large data sets take up more space. Your card that holds the cryptogram of your wallet seed phrase. And of course, your phone with the Cuvex app installed. Let's go through the step by step. Step 1. In the Cuvex app, prepare the transaction. Open the app and click on Send. Select the account from which the BTC will be sent. Check the balance, the available UTXOs, and choose the amount you want to send. Now select the recipients. You can enter the address manually, paste it, or simply scan the QR code. If you want, add a reason or label. This is optional and only visible to you. Want to send to multiple recipients? Add them all before moving on. Set the fee in sats. Here you can see the relationship between speed and cost. Review the full summary, recipients, amounts, UTXOs, change, and fee. Click Export to sign PSBT. Write the data to the transaction card using NFC. Step 2. On the Cuvex device, first air gap. Turn on the Cuvex device and select the PSBT option. Hold the transaction card near the device's NFC. Carefully review the transaction information displayed on the screen. Click Verify transaction. Step 3. On the Cuvex device, second air gap. Now hold the card containing the cryptogram of your seed phrase near the device. Enter the passwords, whether single signature or multi-sig, as set up. Review the final data. Press the Sign PSBT button 3 times. Done. Your transaction is signed. Step 4. Transmit the signed transaction. You have 2 options. With a QR code. On the device, display the QR code of the signed transaction. In the app, click Broadcast Transaction and scan the QR. Done. The transaction has been sent to the network. With a NFC on the device, select Record PSBT via NFC. Hold the transaction card near again to write the signed version. In the app, click Broadcast Transaction and select Read via NFC. Done. Your transaction has been broadcast to the network. After sending, track the transaction in the app under Transactions. The unconfirmed status means it's waiting to be mined. The confirmed status means it has been recorded on the blockchain.